Let's break down how we helped a client tackle a huge production challenge with a digital twin. Sound familiar? A clunky layout can really slow you down and, hurt your profits. We worked with a furniture company whose 20-year-old layout just couldn't keep up with demand anymore. They were dealing with major bottlenecks. Think slow material flow, no flexibility, and constant delays. So what did we do? We built a digital twin, basically a perfect virtual copy of their factory. Our process is a simple 3-step. We create the twin, let our AI analyze it, then simulate options. And the results? Well, they were a total game changer. Let's look at the actual savings. First off, we got rid of unnecessary buffers. That freed up 300,000 zloty in working capital. Boom! On top of that, the new layout slashed their departmental operating costs by a whopping 14%. And get this, the new efficiency meant they needed 1.5 fewer people per shift. So you're probably asking, how'd we do it? It really comes down to 3 key things. First up, quick mapping. We can create a precise virtual model of your factory in days, not months. Next, our AI takes over. It crunches the data and spits out optimized layouts in just seconds. And finally, it's super flexible. You can test new ideas on the fly to stay ahead. Don't just take our word for it. The client saw real savings and a huge competitive boost. Okay, now think about it. What could this kind of optimization do for your operations? Let's find out what's possible. Head over to our site and book a quick, free consultation today.